Welcome where curiosity becomes dangerous. Today's simulation is one of the darkest yet. What if the moon fell to Earth? At first it would be subtle. The tides would begin to rise higher than usual. Maybe you'd notice unusual flooding along the shore. Beaches vanish, ports are destroyed. But every day, the ocean's pull grows stronger, whipped into chaos by the moon's unnatural descent. Nights would become terrifying. The moon grows larger in the sky, night after night. At first it's thrilling, like living under a giant spotlight. But soon it swells to the size of a stadium. The glow is too bright to sleep. Children can't stop staring. Adults stop pretending everything is fine. The ground itself begins to groan. The moon's gravity twists Earth's crust. Volcanoes erupt worldwide, spitting ash and fire. Earthquakes split highways. Cities tremble as if the planet itself is nervous. And then the sky becomes a war zone. Pieces of the moon shear off and rain down as fiery meteors. Whole neighborhoods vanish in seconds. The horizon glows orange from the endless bombardment. Looking up feels like staring into a furnace. Every day the moon looms closer. Coastal cities are abandoned. People flee inland, but there's no safety. Earthquakes, meteors, and flooding follow everywhere. The atmosphere fills with dust and smoke. Day and night blur together into a permanent twilight. And then, the final impact. When the moon collides with Earth, the energy released is unimaginable. Oceans boil away instantly. Continents shatter. Mountains crumble like sandcastles. The crust splits open, releasing rivers of magma. The entire surface of Earth melts into a glowing molten sphere. No bunker, no technology, no escape plan could protect us. Humanity, all life, erased in a single event. But here's the irony. Without the moon, Earth would never have been what it is. The moon controls the tides, stabilizes our axis, even influences our sleep cycles. For billions of years, it's been our guardian. And in this simulation, it becomes our executioner. Of course, this is just a thought experiment. The moon isn't about to fall. But imagining it shows us how fragile our existence really is, tied to forces far beyond our control. So let's take it further. If the fall of the moon can end life instantly, what would happen if the sun itself simply went out? And if you don't want to wake up with the moon crashing into your backyard, hit like and subscribe to the channel. It won't stop the apocalypse, but it will keep your curiosity alive.